Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. I'm Danny Marston. Today, I'm gonna talking about why I decided to learn Spanish. I follow a philosophy. Um, Everybody must speak English. I say that because English is the universal language. Everybody speak English. It's a fact. But one day you know, I was sitting down in my bed, you know, and I realized how many times I lost the opportunity to make, a friend because I didn't know Spanish. I love to play GTA Online, you know, and for many times I was, hanging out for the map, and then I meet a guy. We started to hang out together, and then the guy, he sent me a message. He sent me a message, and he general was hablas español, and I was to say no, no, uh, because I don't have the obligation to speak Spanish. He's the guy who need to speak English. But that happened many times, and I realized that if I didn't learn Spanish, I couldn't make Hispanic friends because I guess they don't speak English. I don't know the reason. Uh, then learning. It's for me actually it's not hard, you know. It's easy for me because I speak Portuguese as a mother language, and when you go learn a new language, and you learn a language of the same the same the same language family, it's pure easy. Try to learn German. You who speak English, you see, it's pretty easy. And you know, I started learn Spanish as I learned English before. I have already experienced to learn a new language, and and oops, oops, wait a second. And I already had experience with that, so I know what must do to improve my Spanish. And you know, I you know Spanish have their have some hard and some easy characteristics, but the important is I'm learning. Uh, the problem with Spanish, because I'm not a fan of Spanish, movies, series, so I don't watch it, and when you learn a new language, one of the most important things is you watch, series, movie, cartoons, how in the language you're learning. And you know, I'm I generally try to watch, a movie, a series that I like, if the dub is Spanish, and it's helping a lot. I learn a lot of things like, I was watching, I guess, were Fast Furious, I guess, and Brian say a larga historia. Then I learned that a larga historia means long story, and I'm learning, you know, I'll tell the truth. I'm very lazy. I got 6 years to learn English, but Spanish is different. As I know the cheats, the path, I I'm learning more more faster. Now I'm focused than ever because I realized that my Spanish is not enough to talk someone, and I'm improving. I'm working hard, and I hope maybe 2 years my Spanish be very good. So yeah, that's it. This is my first long video for this channel. I'm new in this shit of the internet. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. You are God bless you. Okay, thank you very much.